Ms. White, can you unmute yourself, please? Ms. White, you're still muted.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
Afternoon, this call is number 2022-01781 in the interest of Karen Ferguson. All parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Crystal Chantel White, and I'm Karen Ferguson's mother.
All right, and representing Attorney General of the State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma, Your Honor, good morning.
And the court will note that Shelton Jerome Ferguson is the non-custodial parent. He was personally served on January 22nd, 2022 at 2:56 p.m. at 7913 John Turner Lane in Ethel, East Felicia Parish in Louisiana. And he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Crystal White.
All right.
Ms. White, how many children are before the court?
One,
And how old is your child?
he's 23 months. He'll be
And
2 on June 1st.
thank you. And who is your child's father?
Shelton Ferguson.
And how do you know he's the father?
He was the only person I was with during conception, as well as he signed his birth certificate.
Thank you. And are you asking the court to establish a legal relationship between Mr. Ferguson and your child?
No, ma'am.
So are you asking the court to acknowledge that Mr. Ferguson is the biological father of the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And as far as conservatorship, you're asking the court that joint managing conservators is in the best interest of your child between the parents?
Yes, ma'am.
And where does Mr. Ferguson currently reside?
In Ethel, Louisiana.
So are you asking the court to allow you to maintain the child's primary residence without Harris County and making you the designated conservator to determine where the child's primary residence is?
Yes, that's correct.
And as visitation, you're asking the court to order a standard visitation between the parties, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And do you know where Mr. Ferguson is currently employed?
No, ma'am. Last time I knew it was with Turner Industries.
Okay. And do you know how much he makes at his employment at Turner Industries?
No, ma'am.
And are you aware of any other children under 18 that Mr. Ferguson has?
3.
So because we cannot determine wage information from Mr. Ferguson, you understand the court is going to order support based on minimum wage, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And how is your child currently covered under health insurance?
Under Medicaid.
And you understand the court is going to order that you make that health insurance for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Ferguson reimburse that at $28 a month beginning June 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Ferguson pay child support in the amount of $164 a month beginning June 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking for any back child support?
No, ma'am.
And have you read and reviewed this order?
I have.
Thank you. Judge, I pass this witness.
Court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, judgment will be